Hello world, welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna introduce Gyoudon, beef bowl and pork miso soup. Let's start cooking. First, make pork miso soup. Put dry bonito in hot water. Today I'm gonna use this Burdock root. It is a popular vegetable in East Asia, rich in vitamins, dietary fiber and minerals. Put the cut burdock root in vinegar water. Cut carrots and konjac. Take out the dried bonito. Put the other ingredients. Add the Enoki mushrooms. Add the pork belly. Add Japanese leek and miso. It's done! 完成! I'm gonna make a Gyoudon beef bowl using this soup base. This can be diluted and used for various Japanese dishes. Fry the beef belly and onion. Add 150 ml of soup base and 500 ml of water. Put it on the rice. Press mugwort and pickled ginger. It's done! 完成! Iただきます. How was today's video? I'm glad to if you enjoy it. This channel shows you real Japanese home cooking, and I would like to introduce Japanese sauce mix, seasoning, and frozen food. Furthermore, I will also introduce Japanese food culture and custom. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching. ありがとう。バイバイ。